Guys, I have some shrimp that I seasoned very basic, salt, pepper, not heavily seasoned, very basic salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna add some parsley, chopped up parsley. So it's a herb and honey mustard shrimp. I have some thyme leaves that I took from Tyrone. Tyrone had some lovely thyme. Yes. I said I'm not gonna let all that time go in the drink alone. Yeah, no. So I just kind of toss the herbs together with the shrimp. To that, I add a touch of olive oil, just a little touch. I just like to add olive oil. Olive oil is delicious. I like a little kick. I hope you guys don't mind a little kick. Adam's pepper sauce is a win. And you see how I use this a lot. So yeah, just a little dab of pepper sauce. I'm a slight pepper guy.
Okay.
So
you sure?
add this to this shrimp and toss it. What you do now is you put on a nice single layer on a nice dish and you're roasting this in the oven. I'm trying to get a single layer if I can. This goes in the oven. I'm trying to feed these people because they're drinking a little too much. Yeah. In the oven, bakes for just about 5 to 7 minutes. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so it really will whip up in just about 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll show you how wonderful this shrimp is.
So what temperature are you baking on?
At 400 degrees. So just after about 7 minutes or so, you get this guy. Oh my goodness.
Smiles on your face.
Oh.